Today we'll talk about use of magnesium supplements in autism. Very common question asked to me that what kind of magnesium supplement we can use. I always tell one thing to the parents of autism spectrum child that if one supplement is helping my child, it does not mean it's going to help your child. What you are supposed to do is you sit down with your doctor and discuss what are the symptoms your child has and what kind of improvement you are looking for. Then he or she who knows what autism spectrum is and what are different types of supplements and their function is, then he or she can guide you better. Like as I know, there are almost 7 or 8 different magnesium supplements available right now in the market, like magnesium oxide, magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate, magnesium threonate, magnesium malate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, etc. These what I know for. So if we are using it for one reason, like suppose if my child is getting magnesium oxide or magnesium citrate for constipation and another parent want to improve cognition of his child, then I think magnesium oxide or magnesium citrate is not going to work. But you need to decide something else like magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate. So what I tell to parents is always sit down with the doctor who understands and then discuss different symptoms, what are your goals, what are you trying to achieve, and then your doctor can give you a better advice. It's always better to discuss with your physician and then pick the right choice. Why the dose and the right supplement is important. For example, if we are using magnesium oxide, very commonly used for constipation in kids with autism. But if you slightly increase the dose, it can very easily cause diarrhea or loose stool. And if you want to improve cognition, then I think magnesium oxide is not going to help you. So these are a few examples. If you want to improve the sleep of a child, then I think no supplement, just magnesium sulfate bath, and it will improve the sleep. So always discuss with your physician and then pick the right supplements. Please feel free for any question if you have regarding magnesium supplements and its use in autism spectrum disorder. You guys have a good day. Thanks.